Morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is on the 16th of October. All right, gold has still been making new highs and highs and highs. So yesterday we did this analysis and looking for buys above this point. This is what we're anticipating the candle to break like this and break after that, and then we take a buy from that point all the way to this point. And this day over here, and sells, we're looking for them over here. So look, we chose a psychological number over here, 4240, whereby we were thinking the market would come to, and it did come to that point. Okay. See, we had a break, very nice break over here. Entered the buy from this point. The market came down, but stop loss was here. Okay. Below this candle's low. So it didn't tap it, came down to this point, and went back up all the way to take profit over here and got out of the market, and now the market is retracing down. All right, so that's really good. Gold is making new highs every time. It's making new highs, so let's do a fresh new analysis and see how the market is going to be behaving. What do we have in terms of fundamentals today? Let's see. In terms of fundamental forex factory, let's see, what do we have today? Remember, the US market is still under shutdown, so things that are scheduled may not happen in terms of the USD. But then we have the FOMC member as well as speaking. Nothing high impact basically. So there's nothing really high impact that we need to worry about. So we're gonna go straight to our analysis monthly. So we're gonna start with monthly breakdown over there. We need this thing. Gonna need to set this one up. I need to set it up, set it up, set it up, set it up a bit to extend to the left, no, to the right, and yep. All right, let's do a quick analysis over here. What do we have in terms of monthly support is over here, monthly support. Weekly support again. I'm gonna readjust this one to this point, and we get a weekly support over here. Daily, again, there's no resistance. That's why I'm going through like that. There's no resistance at the moment. Yeah, morning. This is the most immediate resistance over here. Most support, sorry, most immediate support, not resistance. All right, so we can mark these areas. It's very important to mark them. They will come in handy later on. But when you're on 4 hours, here. All right, so in terms of but this one cannot really be called you can't really call it a resistance since the candle is active, yeah. So we're going to need to go down to 1 hour. Oh yeah, so no 1 hour makes sense. This is a 1 hour resistance over here, and we have a 1 hour support over here. Like that. That remains. So over here. There we go. All right, so that's how the market is over here. So in terms of buys and in terms of sells, it's a bit tricky. We look at this. Um, it's crazy, unless we're getting sales below this point, but which is not really I can't really advise that. But this is this is it. Actually, there's nothing. There's no. There's no. Can say a possible sell below that point. Possible sells below that point. But the buy is not unless I'm taking a buy from above this point. I can't really risk any buy right now. Honestly, I'm not gonna risk any buy. I'm gonna, you know what? Possible buy is above here, right? It's gonna be above that point. So yeah, these is the days that I tell you there's nothing to trade today. Honestly, for me, I'm not trading anything right now. Um, yeah, yep. We have a lot going on in the nation as well. So yeah, but I'm not gonna be trading this until I get a buy above this point. I'm not gonna trade because again, I don't want to take the sells and then the market does something like this. All right. Right. So let's keep an eye and let's see how the market turns out. Right. Bye bye, guys. Have a good one. Trade what you see, not what you think, and risk manage your trades well. Let's see you. Follow, subscribe to the channel, follow, and see you on to the next one. All right, guys. Happy hunting. Bye bye.